of the People's Democratic Republic of Korea. So Kim in the blue and Medet Kızı is in the red. Well, she may not have had the most successful Olympics. Medet Kızı, 2 losses to Kennedy Blades and to Marin of Cuba in the bronze medal contest. So she finished outside the medals, but in Asia, she's an unstoppable force. And Kim, someone who impressed actually in beating Elmira Sizdikova 12-0, a 2-time Asian champion in the last round. Definitely taking another step up here against Medet Kızı. What's she in for, Erica?
Yes, Kim's match against Elmira Sizdikova in this previous round was very impressive. We see here she's got a really good base. Her feet are right underneath her, really solid position. And in her last match, she just had an answer for every single one of Elmira Sizdikova's attacks and just really shut it down and opened her up for that 12-0 win. Айпери is a little bit of a different beast. Like you mentioned, she's just been unstoppable at the Asian continent. I actually wrestled her in her first Senior World Championships in 2019. I did beat her 6-0, but I remember thinking like, wow, this young gun is going to be good. And she has proved herself to be amazing. Had a disappointing Olympic Games the last 2 cycles, but I really believe as we look ahead to the future, she's the future of this 76 kilo weight class. And let's see what happens though tonight, because Kim might be a very strong and new opponent at the weight class.
Do you think Medet Kızı hit her own heights at the Olympics and she was just beaten on the day by 2 wrestlers that wrestled better, or was she just below what she can be?
Well, here we have a great attack as she moves into this cradle position looking for the pin, and she gets it. She's going for it.
How good is this from Medet Kızı? Springs into action and gets the victory. She wins by fall, and Kim caught cold. And that just always is a bad idea against Medet Kızı.
And she's such a technically strong competitor, so great. And that's just a great example. She doesn't let any opportunities go. And to answer your question, Jack, about her competition, her performance at the Olympic Games,